Welcome to our Venmo security tips for 2025. In this video, we will guide you through essential steps to protect your account and transactions. Step 1. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security. This adds a layer of protection to your account. Step 2. Create a strong, unique password and update it regularly to keep your account safe. Step 3. Review your privacy settings. Control who sees your transactions by adjusting these important options. Step 4. Keep your app updated. Updates bring the latest security features that protect your transactions. Step 5. Be on the lookout for phishing scams. Recognizing suspicious links and emails is crucial. Step 6. Enable transaction notifications. This keeps you informed about all activity in your account. Step 7. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for transactions. Protect your data on unsecured networks. Step 8. Monitor your account regularly to quickly spot any unauthorized transactions. In conclusion, remember these tips to enhance your Venmo security. Stay vigilant and protect your finances.